What up, world? It's your boy Lando, Saint Lando 1, kicking it to you live here at the Yat-Sen Memorial Hall here in Taipei, Taiwan. Oh man, it's a lovely, beautiful day here. It's a crispy 74 degrees here. In freedom units, that's in freedom units. In non-freedom units, it's like 24°C. Well, we're here in Taiwan, checking out another place to go to. We're here at the Yat-Sen Memorial Hall, and wow, what a beautiful day. And it's also not too far from the 101, which we might be able to see right here, which is like maybe 3 blocks away. This is just one of many places that you could see on your trip. If you're coming here to see the 101, let's take a stop down here. We're going to take a look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Okay, without further ado, let's get it on. All right, and as you can see, like, this building here is really nice to look at. Currently, it looks like they're doing renovations on this thing as well. But we're going to take a walk around because this place is actually like fairly big from what you can see here. Let me take this out on the ultra wide. There we go. So yeah, we got the ultra wide lens here. We got this like infinity pool going on right here. I've been here a couple times just to see if it's been open or not, and no, not on the openness, which is quite sad because I have a feeling like this place be rocking in here with like some culture in here. But I don't know exactly what they're doing. Normally there's like some kids playing like soccer or something over here. It's like mid-afternoon here, so it's all good. All right, we're gonna go this way here a bit, just check this thing out. But as you can see, there's like people chit-chatting here in the park. Like I said earlier, we're about 3 blocks from the Taipei 101 Tower, which is right there. It's a nice building. Somebody, as of this filming here, somebody just climbed this about a week ago, which is pretty impressive, to be honest. Because like all these other buildings next to like the 101 and also like in this general area here is actually really nice through here. There's a lot of green space here as well, as you'll be able to see here. We're gonna walk up here in just a second. But there's also like a whole nother section, like way over there. We'll get there in a little bit, but that's where we're heading, and that's where we'll end up going anyway. So this may not be the Yat-Sen Memorial Hall stop. They may change the name to this to the culture like stop, because they've been trying to transform this area into like just more than just this one building here. Because on the opposite side here, I did a video about it as well with the Taipei Dome. But the Taipei Dome, which is this building right here, we're going to zoom it in. Yeah, that round building right there. That is the spot where they play baseball at here, because they actually got a Taipei baseball team, which is actually really cool. And then also behind this building, there's like another culture building that they transformed. So they've been doing a lot of this transformation here of this area into what used to be. So it looks like they got like a what should we call it? Like a dedication here. There we go. That's much better. So we got like a dedication here of how they built this building here, because it looks like they're remodeling it. So you get like a nice kind of look of what it was, or almost like a snapshot of like what Taipei used to look like. And you can't even see the 101. Yeah, it's kind of crazy to think about, like this building was here before the Taipei 101. And yeah, it definitely wouldn't be the same without the 101. Yeah, that's where we just were. Coming on the side, so looks like these are fairly newer pictures here. Man, this is actually kind of cool. Get a nice like, oh man, kind of like a snapshot here of what used to be. Man. crazy. And actually, like, some of these buildings are actually standing now. It's pretty wild. This is actually what it kind of looks like inside. I have yet to go inside to see what it looks like, because it's been closed the last couple times I've been here. But yeah, man, this is actually kind of cool. Oh man, we got a nice photo there. This is like the front area that we just were at the beginning of the video. So it looks like, yeah, we got like a whole bunch of like cool things down here. All right, let me go up here to the front. Oh wait, actually, hold up. We got like this statue over here. Man. Yeah. And as you can see, there's a lot of green space here as well. So they're trying to increase more park, more green, more Mother Nature here as well. That is one thing I do like about Taipei, though, is that they have a lot of designated space for green, like parks and everything like that. So it's really nice, actually, to have it. Oh man, I think this is the statue here. Looks like we got a really cool statue here. Sound off in the comments what this statue looks like. To me, it kind of looks like Asian Monopoly Man, but without the monocle and the top hat going on. Oh man, but definitely looks savvy, that is for sure. All right, we're gonna walk around here in this corner here. Give me 1 second. So yeah, it looks like we're back here at the temporary parking for the workers to work on the back here. Yeah, because that's a pretty significant thing if you got like a backhoe digging stuff back here. So yeah, they must be doing something like real big back here as well. However, like also back here, this is where you would enter if you took the blue line down here to Taipei. You could come out this side because the line is like in the middle here. And you can also go on the other side to go to the Taipei Dome there to go watch some baseball. But there's other events that happen there too as well. There's concerts and there's places to eat. There's a lot of things to do over there. I'm going to teleport over there. Give me 1 second. Okay, so we teleported to the corner over here. And as you can see, we got a lovely shot of the 101 and this building here. Also, trash cans very important because after being in Japan, seeing trash cans is actually kind of nice and wonderful out in the wild. But not so much anywhere else. So yeah, trash cans very important. So we got a place on the map here, which as you can see, we got some pseudo 3D going on here. So we're probably in this corner. Yep. So oh, they got a school over here. Oh, that's cool. So we're gonna go over here because there's a whole park over here. It looks like, and we haven't been over there just yet. Oh, that's a reflection pool. Ah, that's kind of fancy actually. Oh, I see what they're doing. So they're actually redoing all the signage here. Looks really nice as well. So yeah, this is the metro station that we just came out of. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, we're gonna head that way. We're gonna check it out. But as you can see, they're still like redoing everything. So they're ripping out old, in with the new. Looks like we got some type of like feng shui, energy stone area over here, because we in China and they all about that energy work going on, so that's when I know it's something. Also a rare albino pigeon here, which, all right, I guess that's a thing. Man, that was a shiny pigeon we just saw. That's pretty impressive. I see what they're... So yeah, they're redoing all the piping, it looks like. That's why they've had to close it down, but man, that's a lot going on here. However, I do appreciate like some of this artwork over here that they made to have you not look at the construction, which is actually pretty nice. We're gonna walk over here and get a better view. We put it on the 1X. 1X, there we go. So we get like a better view of like some of the artistry that they've Looks like they did it on canvas and they took a picture of it. Oh yeah, this is like 2007. So yeah, some of this is kind of old, but it actually looks pretty good. Like, looks like that's probably the park over there. Man, but yeah, this looks pretty good. Aha. Okay, so we got a statue over here. Let's go check out the statue. Oh man. Oh, they even got flowers over here too, man. Man, this looks cool. So we got back-to-back statues, it looks like. Same dude. Probably like who this this memorial is actually here for as well. Though I will say the flowers be looking fresh though. Well, at least as fresh as you're gonna get at this time of year. Because man, this actually looks pretty cool. I'm gonna zoom this out. So we got memorial here. We got the two figures here. Same dude, just in the commanding chair, and then we got him like back here, leading. I don't know, but he back here. So yeah, it's very interesting as well. And we got like a whole bunch of cool statues over here. This place is actually pretty cool, not gonna lie. This must be the park over here as well. Yeah, because we got some like stones. We got some stones here. We got more statues over here. All types of interesting things. I can tell you that the walkway here looks pretty fresh. Like real fresh. Alright, I'm gonna go down here and see what's up. Give me 1 second. Alright, so we made it over here a little bit, so we're gonna like kind of look through here. This must be the regular parking for this area, it looks like. Sounds like I hear some karaoke going on over here. So the karaoke's over there. We'll check it out for sure. Because karaoke equals a good time. And good times always are great. So we're going to keep going over here as well. Man, this is the park over here. Oh man, I can already tell you that, a lot of this looks like Instagram worthy for sure. Like really Instagram worthy here. So we got like this Confucian statue, it looks like. Oh, it actually is. It actually is Confucius. And I was being, in a jokingly manner, saying this is wise Confucius. Oh man, I wonder if wise Confucius here can tell me what my fortune is. Wow. Sound off in the comments if you think Confucius can tell you the future from your fortune cookie. Okay. Oh man. But I do love me them fortune cookies though, man. It's like a nice treat after like heavy Chinese meal. I don't even care if it's American. Don't even care, man. Don't come at me with them Chinese cookies, man. They good. Oh man. So it looks like we got this park going on here. Looks like a whole bunch of water. See if we can see some fishies, because that's when we know it's good. Where them fishies at? Okay, I see a turtle over here. Hold up. There you go, there's a turtle. Might be Leonardo. I don't know. Let's see here. Yeah, looks like we got, it's a little bit mucky water. So yeah, it looks like we got some turtles. Okay, we got some birds, okay. I don't see any fishies though. So very interesting. Though I will say, the whole like view of these trees is really nice through here. Like really, really, really nice. Oh dude, we got some like, they're not herons, but I don't know what they're called. It's these birds right here. As far as I can zoom in. Looks really nice. There we go. Ooh. One more. Okay, there we go. But yeah, I think they're Chinese birds. But it's super cool to like see them. because I normally don't get to see birds, so it's nice when I do see them. So yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of green space here in this park. I'm gonna teleport over here to the happening over here. Okay, so apparently I found where all the happening is. It's actually like a restaurant, a beef restaurant. I don't know. It's a Chinese restaurant, but they got live karaoke here. They got like stuff out here. This actually looks pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, it looks really nice. But yeah, it looks like it's apparently good because we got people outside, inside, just having a good time eating. I can smell the food. I can tell you it looks real good. It looks really good through here. Then also too, like if you move up outside the restaurant there a little bit, kind of look over here. This would be a really nice like Instagram photo right here. Here, hold up. We're gonna here we go. We're gonna take a video selfie here. Okay, there we go. See, look at that. That looks amazing. And then also too, like at nighttime, with all the lights lit up, I bet this looks really nice through here as well. But yeah, as you can see, we're just kind of like walking through here, kind of chilling, having a good time. Oh yeah, we even got people doing selfies over here. We got some karaoke. Everybody's having a good time. Like, that's when you know that I'll have to check that place out later on. Oh man, but there's so much more to see here at this park, so I'm gonna flip it around. So as you can see, we're kind of just walking around the outside here. There's a lot of these like stone seats you can sit down here at this park as well. So it's really cool to see like all of the sit down areas here as well. So yeah, you can never like not have a seat here, it looks like, which is fantastic. We're probably gonna go over here on this little hut thing and take a nice view over there on the videos, and then wrap it up shortly after. But here we go, let's go over there. Woo! All right, let's go. So yeah, we're pretty close to the approach here of this, and man, you could definitely get like a really cool like selfie going on here, like video selfies, taking a nice like cinematic shot here. But yeah, overall it looks pretty good. Looks like they might be cleaning it out because it looks a little brown. Yeah, there's the keeper over there. Oh man, this kind of looks pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, this looks really nice. Oops, that looks really nice. Alright, so I ended up wrapping back around here because there wasn't really to see the other end of the video. So hopefully you enjoyed the tour here at the Yat-Sen Memorial Hall here, right next to the Taipei 101 tower right here. So if you ever come by to Taipei, you can always stop by the Memorial Hall. Also, if you want to go to a concert back there as well, you can go there. I'd like to thank everybody for viewing and watching this video. Your boy Lando out on this one.